Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Too Slow Kurt. Today, man, we finna be taking off the badges on this car. We're gonna be debadging this Stingray. This is my Stingray, 2015 Stingray. As you can see, I added the Z51 stickers on there. We started kind of taking it off already. And then I realized, like, oh, let me get the content in, right? But we're gonna be debadging the Stingray logos. And we also gonna be taking off the Corvette sign on the back. You know, the Corvette badge in the back. You see right here. It says Corvette. We're gonna be debadging it. Like my boys, Z06 right here. Procharged Z06. We're gonna be getting him some content in too. This is my boy Ruthless right here. As you can see, yeah, he got the bad boy, man. C7 Z06 supercharged, but it has a Procharger inside of it. Yes, sir. We're gonna be getting some more content of that. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna be debadging this car, and we're gonna get straight into it, man. We got the essentials right here. You see I put it in my little Walmart bag. I actually did get this stuff from Walmart, so I just got the heat gun, the fishing line, and oof off. As you can see, like I said, we already got it coming off for the most part. He just started peeling them off, but we're gonna get this heat gun in there, and then, you know, we're gonna use the fishing line and everything like that to take it off. Alright, so you ain't gotta get too close because the shit go far and it's hot as hell. So it can be a good little distance like this, just warming it up, taking it off. And it's super hot, so it's gonna melt it real good. So you're gonna grab the fishing line and you're just gonna go up in there, right? It's already taken off for the most part. So we're gonna go up in there, just go back and forth, back and forth. And it's going to do pretty smooth. Like, if you ain't got the heat gun, then it's not gonna go as smooth as you want it to. But with the heat gun, it should be coming out pretty good. And if it gets hard, then you can add some more heat. But this one's coming out pretty easy because I added enough heat to it already. Dang. So as you can see, the badge came off already. And we got some adhesive on it right here. And what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna get the goof off. We're gonna spray it up on there, and then we pretty much just gonna rub it off with a rag.
Oh, you got the gel.
Yeah, I ain't even know.
You could probably just rub it in with your hand, and then like.
I got a rag in front.
Oh, okay.
We got the little rag right here, man. We're gonna rub it off. I gotta heat it up a little bit too.
Yeah.
All right, so we added some more heat on there, and we're gonna spray some more goof off on it. And we're just gonna rub up on it.
There you go.
So we got some goof off on it, and we just gonna let it sit. We rubbed it in there. We'll give it a couple minutes. We'll come back and rub it off. You can see you got the Procharger on top. Big Procharger, man. Big. He got the headers on it. This thing's loud. You hear it, man. Y'all heard it. All the work. All the work. He got a lot of content coming soon, man. A lot of content coming soon. So y'all be ready for that.
I wonder why it looked like it was antifreeze. I found the issue.
What is it?
They didn't slot this.
The hose?
Yeah, the hose is not all the way on.
You need to go up some more, huh?
You definitely got to go into more. Holy moly. I'm glad I caught that. It could have been the end of my... If you got nails, you could just use your nail. It comes right off. But you got to have the glue off, though.
Yeah. They ain't gonna come off unless you got the stuff.
Yeah, you got to have the glue off.
So I think the primarily we get this off and then spray the glue off, it gets that adhesive stuff off.
All right, guys, so we took off the logo for this one, finally got all the glue off. Came off real nice. Take some elbow grease to take off all the glue, but as you can see, it's gone, man. It looks a lot better. My opinion, I think it looks a lot better. I mean, it looks good with the logo or without the logo, but I think without the logo makes it pop a little bit more. What y'all think? Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. What y'all think about taking off the logos. Do y'all like keeping it stock look logo, or you want to, you know, give it a little spice? But me, I prefer taking it off. So we finally got it done today. But we still got this other side, so we're going to take this side off too. So we're working on the other side now. We're just going to heat it up, like I said, heat it up a little bit. Don't be too close. You ain't got to be so close up and personal, but get some heat up on that bad boy. All right, guys, so we got the Stingray badge off of the passenger side. All right, so now we just put in the heat on the adhesive that was under that Stingray badge right here. So, you know, it's going to come off real smooth and easy, like I said, like the last one. Put the goof off. See right here. And you just want to rub it in there. It's going to be hot depending on, well, whether you're working on the car, but rub it up in there. It's real hot though. Whew. So now we have completed both sides. As you can see, it's real nice and smooth. No more Stingray logo right there. And yeah, man, it looks a lot better. It's just a Z51 right here, man. What y'all think? Let me know. So now all we got to do is take off the Corvette logo on the back. I'm not sure if I'm just going to leave the words in the back that say Vet, or I'm just going to, you know, take it off completely like my boys. So as you can see right here, it says Corvette. I wanted to low-key just take off the core, put the Vet in the middle. You know, that'd be hard, but we're gonna see. We're gonna take it off, and then we're gonna put it right there, and we're gonna see how it looks. So I came over here to get a little farther look. Yeah, even from far, man, it looks a lot better without that logo. Don't get me wrong, the logo looks good, but I don't know, man. It's just something about it without it. Makes it look a lot better. And it also adds on to, you know, customizing the car, making it look different, like, you know, your own build. All right, guys, so now we're gonna start taking off the Corvette badge. Like I said, again, same thing applies. You ain't gotta be too close, just give it some heat. It's already hot out here, so you know it's a little melted anyways, but yeah, give it some heat and we're gonna take it off. So the word Vet is separated from the word core. So be mindful whenever you're taking them off. So if you don't want them to fall, hit the ground and stuff, just know that this is one word, Vet, and this is one word, core. Also with the word Vet, it comes with the E's, you know, little separate pieces for the E's. So it'll look like this. Yeah, you know, you get the point. But yeah, if you don't want them to hit the ground and stuff, just make sure you know that they're going to be separated from the core and the Vet. And even with the words core, those are separated as well, as you can see. Core, take it off. Yeah. So we got it off now, and all we got to do is take off the adhesive that says Corvette. Finishing it up on the Vet logo, man. He's just scratching it off. Yeah, we're pretty much gonna be almost done with this, man. But yeah, man, if y'all liking the video so far, man, please leave a like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. Stay tuned, because we got a whole lot of content coming, man. I know y'all see the cars, man. Y'all see the cars. We got the content coming, and they gonna be coming quick, man. So either y'all get on or y'all get left, man.
Get with it or get lost.
No, for real. Coming together, man. It's coming together. You see it. You see it. Yes, sir. So yeah, man, this is the last look with the no badges on it. Of course, we're gonna be getting more content on my C7, but yeah, this is the last little look. What y'all think? How y'all think it came out, man? I think it's pretty solid, man. Pretty solid. Give y'all a little front look real quick. Little front look. Then we got the side right there again. And if y'all want the link to the Z51 stickers, I'll put the link in the description, along with, you know, some other stuff. So y'all let me know what y'all want, man. I'll put the links in the bio and stuff like that, all right? But yeah.
Don't get it.
So we got the logos off, man. No more Corvette right there. You see it? You see it? It's looking good, bro. What you think about it?
It looks good.
Yeah.
I like it. Hell yeah.
Yeah, we both got the D badge in the back where it says vet. But yeah, bro. That shit makes it look a lot meaner. Not gonna hold you. Yep. Looks a lot 10 meaner. 10 times better. Yeah.
Oh, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up. Fight back, nigga. Fight back, nigga.
It looks aggressive.
Yeah, it does. Once you change them tail lights and shit, once you change the tail lights,
yeah,
it's gonna look crazy.
Yeah,
especially when you put the Z06 lights.
We're going with the Z06 tail lights eventually. We just gotta find the right price. What you think Z06 tail lights will go for?
If you find a good price, you could probably find something between now you know, now that I think about it.
Yeah, that 500 a good deal.
I think the price you said is a good deal.
Right.
You know, when you think, you're just thinking about what prices the Corvette tail lights to go for. But when you think about Z06 tail lights, it's different. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I don't know, bro. And then like you got to think the whole thing is LED. So when you cut the freaking lights on at night, this strip is the only one that lights up, I believe. I forget.
Oh yeah.
I don't look at my tail lights much.
Right. People look at them, huh?
Yeah, I do that to the ones that call me out.
Yeah. But yeah, man. So we got the Vet logo off, man. What y'all think about it? I think it looks sexy as hell. So man, we got more content coming soon, man. We got a lot of videos to make. So if y'all did like the video, man, please like, subscribe, and it's your boy Too Slow Kurt, and we out.
Everybody